guys! We made some Dutch oven pizzas while we were camping. First, we started the charcoal. When the charcoal was ready, we put some under the Dutch oven and some on the lid. We bought some dough and sauce from our favorite pizza place and sliced some veggies. We stretched the dough first, then started building our own pizzas.
What are you making?
I'm making pizza.
Looks like you might need another scoop. You're making pizza at the beach?
Yeah.
You want to get it all the way to the edge? We're gonna make it in the Dutch oven. Okay. You do want to get it all the way to the edge, like that. Okay. Now, you want to put cheese on it first. Okay. Slowly and get it all the way to the edge. Slowly go around. You don't have. There you go. You want to get it closer to the edge?
Closer?
Mm-hmm. I'll help you out a little bit, Sophie. Looks like you're a little bit light there. Looks like that's about. Never want to be short of cheese, but you don't want to be too much. Okay, go ahead and do whatever ingredients you want now.
This good enough?
Yeah, that looks good. Okay, go ahead. Now would be the cheese is next. The top ingredients are last.
After the sauce and cheese, we put toppings on the pizza. My sister made hers with pepperoni, mushrooms, and onion. My first pizza was a classic pepperoni pizza.
Ready?
The very first pizza is in. It took only 90 seconds to cook this one. we kept making more pizzas.
How's your pizza? How's that pizza from the... How is it?
Awesome.
Is your pizza ready?
We made so many pizzas. This was our dessert pizza. It tasted like apple pie. We had so much fun making Dutch oven pizzas. Even leftover pizzas were so good the next day. That was it for this episode. If you liked our cooking videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.